this back a little bit. We get some back exactly where it was. So check this out, we get this awesome rim from one of our customers yesterday, and it is so beat. I can't wait to try and fix this thing. So we're gonna like put half of it M-Shine and half nothing. And then I'm gonna use our foam sprayer to put the M-Shine on there and give it some more time to kind of clean all this up. I don't know what to expect underneath here. I'm kind of excited to find out. Oh yeah, this is gonna clean up nice, man. I wonder what's gonna go on here. That's like some kind of something got on there, something nasty. So I'm gonna throw M-Shine in here just straight because I feel like we need help with this one. I just want to see results, like fast. A lot of people I've seen use this stuff 50-50 in situations like this, or 10-to-1, but some guys just use it undiluted. You just go stronger the worse the situation, you know? And this is pretty bad. What do you think, Kev? We're gonna be able to get it done? I think we got this. Oh yeah. Now the trick with these things to get great foam is to pump it until this little tab pops out. It'll like turn red, basically. And these come with like different draw tubes for the foam, and they're different color codes. And you switch them out inside this little connection here, and basically they create different wetness or dryness in the foam. I have the driest tip in this. I want to like see if we can make it really like clingy on the foam, because M-Shine is generally not as foamy as the rest of my stuff. Pump it. Another trick too, don't put too much liquid in there if you want to get really long time on your pump. If you're doing something big, like pretty much all of us, then you would want to have more, you know, more time being able to use it where you don't have to keep pumping it. So the less liquid in there, the more time you have between pumping. It's just about ready to pop. I can't imagine that's not going to be the craziest foam we've ever seen. Right, here we go. Oh, that is such great foam. Oh, I love it. It is so manageable.
Yeah, it's disappearing. Look at that.
Dude, this is going to stay on here forever.
That looks like snow.
Wow. Wow, this works really good for M-Shine, man. The dry foam. Look at how it looks like spray foam insulation. Well, this is interesting. Let's see what happens. I'm just gonna let it kind of do its thing for a while. I want to see how long we get on this foam too. I feel like I live in Alaska. Here we go. Here's the pressure. Interesting, very interesting. So this is not a very nice rim underneath, but heck, I mean, it can tell it did something. I mean, even though I hit it with the pressure here, that's definitely the line where we applied it.
Yep.
So I think we should do some more, man. That foam is so nice.
Did you pump it again?
No, I actually am still on the first pump.
First pump.
Yeah, I'm still on the first pump. How much time went by on that time lapse, by the way? Was that like 5 minutes?
4 minutes.
So we get a lot of dwell time out of this stuff, man. Ooh, I can't stop.
You can easily do 4 rims.
Let me make the holes go away. Wow, where's the, whoa, I can bridge the holes. Wow. Boy, this thing does run for a long time when you have a small amount of liquid in it, huh? That's good, because you gotta have good, you know, you don't wanna be making more work for yourself, you know what I mean? Boy, this is amazing. Yes! So too bad this isn't like nice aluminum underneath though. It would have been really cool if it was really shiny already, you know? Let's try and hit this thing a little harder then still, because we still have tons of material left to spray with. Let's put this on, put it on the whole thing, and then we'll agitate it and see where we can, how far we can get with that. And then we'll just polish this thing for our showroom, just for something cool. Sound good? So we'll put this on and wipe it around with a brush. So we've got these scrubbing pad things from our website, and we figured, you know what, the heck, let's try this. I mean, I don't know if I would use this on, I wouldn't use this on like a polished aluminum, but in a situation like this, I could picture it's kind of useful. I think the combination of this scrubbing pad with M-Shine is super helpful. Ooh, yeah. Dude, that's coming right off, huh? That works well, man. Like the foam combined with this cool pad. Here we go. Nice. Yeah, one thing you want when you're working with aluminum is a ton of PSI. So that's why we slapped together this quick little power washer inside to hit a little harder. But yeah, that's a huge head start towards polishing it though, huh? That's pretty cool. All right, this is the stuff right here, guys. M-Shine for your mirror polished aluminum. Now this wasn't a polished aluminum rim beforehand, apparently. Once we took off the grime, there wasn't really any shine there. But the good news is that our M-Shine helped us prep this so that we can polish it faster and easier when using less materials. So we're gonna give this thing a buff down, and then at that point, this would still be an appropriate wash to use on it because it won't actually remove that shine. So check it out, M-Shine, and the best way to apply it ever, the IK Foam 9. I can't recommend them enough. Check it out, guys. Let's go inside, it's cold. So in hindsight, I should have probably done the treatment on this side. That looks great though. I just don't know if I have any good before shots. Is it wheel or wheel? You can totally see that's where the, that's why this rim is retired. But I don't know, I'm gonna make something cool out of this thing. All right, stay tuned.